Students, I want to make a very quick but very important clarification. Some of you may have received emails from the Starfish system over the course of our semester at some point and are confused about how it works, why I'm sending you emails through the system saying things like you're behind or not doing work. Tulsa Community College uses this tool called Starfish. Starfish can send automated alerts about things like attendance, concerns, missing assignments, or academic flags. It's a campus-wide system meant to help students stay informed. However, I do not use Starfish for this course. And the answer for why is very simple. Starfish notifications are automated, and they're not generated with my direct input. More importantly, the system doesn't understand how this course is structured, so it can produce alerts that are inaccurate and misleading about your grades, your deadlines, and your overall standing. So if you receive a Starfish notification, do not treat it as the truth for this class. Instead, always rely on the official sources, Blackboard. That's where the real assignments, details, and deadlines and grades live. My personal feedback, comments on your work, and message you receive directly from me. And if you're unsure, ask me. A quick message is better than guessing based on some automated alert of a system that none of us have control over. My goal is always to give you accurate, personal feedback, not generic system notifications. So, guys, just keep moving forward. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a very good day. Bye, guys.